Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. There was no urgency in the matter, which required dispensation of inquiry under Section 5A of the Act. Full stop. Counter affidavit has been filed by the state, repeating the same pleadings as mentioned in the counter affidavit filed in the writ petition number 46160 of 2011. Full stop. In writ petition number 45345 of 2011, Chand and others versus State of UP and others, same notifications have been challenged. Full stop. Apart from other pleadings, it has been stated that there was no project or plan with the respondents to establish the industry in the area, nor was there any material that any reputed industrialist of the country had approached the respondents and submitted any plan or project for establishing their industry in the said area. 90% of the acquired land is being used of construction of residential colonies. Full stop. Para. Writ petitions of Group 9 relate to Village Roja. Full stop. Writ petition number 37119 of 2011, Dal Chand versus State of UP and others, in which pleadings are complete, is being treated as leading writ petition. Full stop. Petitioners claim to be Bhumidars in possession of plots as detailed in paragraph 3 of the writ petition. Full stop. Notification under section 4 of the Act was issued on 31/8/2007, invoking the provisions of sections 17 within bracket 1 and 17 within bracket 4 of the Act, proposing to acquire 484, hectares of land of village in question for plant. Full stop. Notification under section 6 of the Act was issued on 27/2/2008. Full stop. Petitioner's case in the writ petition is that the land of the petitioner sought to be acquired as per the notification for planned development is in fact camouflage. Full stop. It is stated that in fact the land has been acquired for the purpose of transferring the same to the private builders. Full stop. Entire exercise has been termed to be colorable exercise of power. Full stop. It is pleaded that there is no project on the part of the respondent authority for planned industrial development over the said land. Full stop. By lease deed dated 28/7/2010, an area of 106,196 square meter being flat number GH1, Tech Zone 5 has been transferred to Messrs. Amrapali Leisure Valley Developments Private Limited for group housing. Full stop. Similarly, by lease deed dated 25/2/2001, an area of 354288 square meter of plot number GH9, sector Tech Zone 4 has been transferred to Mr. Amrapali Dream Valley Private Limited. Full stop. By another lease deed dated 17/2/2011, an area of 272,916 square meter land of plot GH5, sector Tech Zone 5 has been transferred to Messrs. Amrapali Centurion Park Private Limited. Full stop. Likewise, by lease deed dated 11/10/2010, an area of 85,202 square meter of land has been transferred to Messrs. Supertech Limited, and by lease deed dated 2/4/2011, an area of 86,037 square meter land has been transferred in favor of Messrs. Omarnets Private Limited and further by lease deed dated 3/11/2010 allotment has been in favor of Messrs. Rajesh Project Limited of an area of 74731 square meter full stop. It is stated that although the land of the village in question was acquired by the state government for planned industrial development, but the same is being utilized for construction of colonies full stop. Or